they can start tracking their hours using our check-in or check-out button, which automatically records the location and the amount of time they spent volunteering into the user volunteer history to ensure accuracy. The app will also award badges to users to recognize their accomplishments and that's the stickiness factor of the app. The students that have required volunteers at their schools can later share this information with their administrators using the online web portal. This is an eco-friendly, paperless system that saves hours of time.
So, what makes us different from all the other volunteering apps on the market? Well, unlike our competitors, Community provides these 4 key features: an interest and age-based search, student-specific features, a unique tracking system, and also a partnership with schools. Now, who will be using our fabulous app? Well, we plan on targeting the 22 million American teenagers and the 24,000 public high schools that they attend across the country. Within the first year, we will run an initial beta test in the Bay Area with 10 Silicon Valley schools, and after successful testing and user feedback, expand to schools and districts across the country.
So how is Community a sustainable business? Our app is free for students to encourage them to volunteer and to match competitive prices. Our primary revenue streams come from 2 sources. First, organizations who can pay to post advertisements about upcoming events. And second, schools will pay a monthly subscription fee to cover the costs for programming the app, building the online portal, maintaining server-side operations, and marketing. Schools will use a tier-based pricing system dependent on the student population. We project our revenue to be between $5,000 to $7,000 the first year, just from schools alone.
Schools will be a major distributor for our application, and we plan on informing school administrators about our app through educational conferences for academic technology, such as iTeach. In fact, we already got a great reception from local and international schools about our application. We will also implement a viral marketing strategy so that individuals can learn about our application through social media, such as Twitter and Facebook, which are integrated into our app so that users can share volunteering experiences and achievements with their friends. In the future, our plans include expanding our user base size and adding new features.
Community is not just a volunteering app. It's all about creating a network of schools, organizations, and student volunteers towards the singular goal of helping good causes. And we need your investment in order to help launch our app and empower you to take action in their local communities. Thank you.
Terrific. I have a question. Your target is to public schools, and you're from a private school. And I wondered about your understanding about marketing and the ability of public schools, ability and willingness of public schools to pay for this app.
Right, so our target actually is both private schools and public schools, and we're hoping through our beta test, which also has 5 private schools and 5 public schools, that we can learn more about the pricing and things like that. And we know that public schools don't have as big as a budget. They might not want to spend their money on things like that. And we know that Adobe Creative Suite, which is something that includes InDesign and things that schools would like to use, is around $50. And so we really wanted to just, through our beta testing, figure out our pricing.
Also, we found out that 25% of the work is spent on this volunteering paperwork. If you think about the salary that the administrator would be spent for that amount of time compared to the monthly prices that we're offering, there's a really big difference. So our prices are pretty nominal.
So what features do you think are missing right now? Like, what would you like to expand that for your app to be able to offer if you want?
Yes, and we do have future plans to make more features, and one of them is making a feature to match people who want to donate with charities, so that it's easier for them to find places to donate to. But we also want to add reflection logs for students, because after students volunteer, we would like for them to have a forum so that they can talk about it, or they can share with their friends like their experiences, just to invite more people in to volunteer.
Thank you so much to the interviewers.